Your competitors think they have what it takes to be the chopped champion.
It's Greek Easter bread. What the heck is that?
I want to do something unexpected because I don't like doing what everyone else does.
3 of the 4 ingredients have an inherent sweetness. The purple asparagus is sweeter than normal asparagus. The Easter bread is very, very sweet, and the melon is sweet.
Tiffany has got sweet potatoes on her station.
But that might be a problem because she's using another sweet ingredient in an already sweet basket.
I haven't worked much with the purple asparagus, but I'm not really letting it scare me. It's asparagus.
Welcome, chefs. Here are the rules. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course in the meal comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way, be it a little or a lot. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will not move on to the next round. You will be chopped. Please open your baskets. And you're looking at stuck prosciutto, purple asparagus, Korean melon, and Greek Easter bread.
It's Greek Easter bread. What the heck is that?
20 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
When Ted says go, I have an idea right away. I love to grill asparagus, so I grab the grill plate, get it started. I know duck like the back of my hand.
I'm feeling super nervous. My strategy today is just take them one step at a time. I'm making a warm asparagus salad with crispy Easter bread.
I smelled the Korean melon. I'm just like, okay, sweet. I pick up sweet potato. I'm gonna make a salad with that sweet potato.
Korean melon. It's kind of sweet, it's kind of watery. If I were to cook it, it might bring out some more flavor. I'm gonna make a toast with the Easter bread and make a melon ragu to go on top. I'm gonna cut the melon and throw it in the pan with the duck fat to add flavor.
What's this? Ooh, truffle.
I want to use truffle oil for the asparagus.
Oh, no. I think Jackie used truffle oil.
Oh, God.
I love truffle oil, but it can be very dominant.
Oh, I just hope she's not overdoing it.
Truffles is an acquired taste, but a little drop in the asparagus is going to be really nice.
Chefs, you've got 1 minute left.
At this point, I'm thinking, I better get this plated. I see everybody's making crostinis. I'm trying to set myself apart by plating a little bit different.
Final seconds. Finishing touches, chefs.
I'm thinking to myself, I probably should have cut this bread a little thinner. There's no going back. The plates are on the table. It is what it is.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Jackie.
Today I made for you a grilled asparagus with duck prosciutto, Korean melon, and toasted Easter bread.
Chef Matt.
I have for you a salad of warm asparagus, duck prosciutto, Easter bread with the egg, and caramelized Korean melon.
Chef Tiffany.
Today, I made for you citrus braised asparagus with a warm sweet potato, melon, and duck prosciutto salad on top of the Easter egg bread.
And finally, Chef Dave.
Today I made for you a Easter bread toast with a warm ragu of duck prosciutto, Korean melon, and wilted arugula, and a poached asparagus.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Tiffany, you've been chopped. As you dive into the entree round, Chef Jackie, Chef Matt, Chef Dave, you will need tenacity, gut instinct, precision. Please open your baskets. And we have barramundi, ramps, sun-dried tomatoes, and unripened green almonds.
Green almonds. What on earth am I gonna do with these things?
30 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
I want to use sweet potato because it would really complement the delicateness of the barramundi. I would like to make the sauce to incorporate sun-dried tomatoes. My goal is to win this money for my cart. I'm pumped.
I'm planning to make a sun-dried tomato polenta with a seared barramundi, sauteed ramps, and a green almond citrus sauce.
One bone or a couple of scales will definitely ruin the fish. As I'm breaking my fish down, I'm putting the carcasses into a separate pan to make stock.
I wanted the plate look nice and tight.
Jade's fish looks very nice.
I think 3 ramps are enough for the dish because I don't want everything else to be lost because the ramps are so overwhelming.
Green almonds, I pulled them out. Even after I fry the almond, I think it's pretty bitter. Then I think this is going to be trouble.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
Time's up. I'm looking down at my dish, and I'm pretty confident.
Chef Matt, what'd you come up with?
I have a pan-seared barramundi, sauteed ramps, sun-dried tomato beurre blanc, fried fresh almonds.
Chef Dave.
What I prepared for you is a baked barramundi with sweet potatoes, raw almonds, and sun-dried tomatoes, and a kind of light truffle cream with some grilled ramps on top.
Chef Jackie.
Today I made for you barramundi fish, qualitated in butter with sun-dried tomato polenta, and then sauteed ramps on top, and an almond citrus sauce.
We don't need a crystal ball to tell us who will be competing in the dessert round. Instead, this cloche will reveal to us who is not. So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Jackie, you've been chopped. Chef Matt, Chef Dave, are you ready to face whatever might be hidden inside the dessert baskets?
Rock and roll.
I'm ready.
All right, please open them up. You must use Kirby cucumbers, beignet mix, lemon lime soda,
The is that?
and nata de coco. 30 minutes, time starts now.
So I'm gonna take raspberries, mint, and lemon lime soda, add a little bit of ice and puree it.
So I'm going to make a poppy seed cake with a Kirby cucumber blueberry compote.
It's partially caramelized with a little shell. So sprinkle some more sugar brulee until everything but the little nata de coco squares were on fire. That's exactly what I want.
1 minute to go, chefs. 1 minute.
I'm trying to make it look impressive. I'm just trying to plate it so that I have more than one focal point.
I made sure I put one little mint on the edge of the strawberry. I'm very happy with how this looks.
Use these final seconds very wisely, chef.
Come on, get it
10.
done, get it done.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. What'd you think of those ingredients, Chef Dave?
Kind of threw me for a loop. So basically what I prepared is a cucumber and nata de coco beignet with a cucumber, raspberry, rum slushy with a bruleed strawberry and nata de coco square.
Chef Matt.
Today I've made for you a poppy seed beignet mix cake with a compote of Kirby cucumber, blueberries, and lemon lime soda, and a nata de coco caramel.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Dave, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Matt Lambert, that you are the chopped champion. And also, spend it, save it, frame it, whatever. The $10,000 check is yours.
That's good news. Good news. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Or spend it on, cradles.
Guitars.
Guitars.
Diapers.